husband loves when I make this sausage rice. Nothing's left over. To start, add half a kilo of skinless Tuscan sausage to a pan. After removing all the skin, mix it well to break it up. No need to add oil, the sausage will release its own, frying nicely. Next, add 50 grams of pre-chopped bacon. Once it's nicely fried, we'll add a bit of garlic. Give it a quick fry. Then add an onion. Mix it all again. After a light sauté, I'll add the tomato. I'm using 1 tomato here. Now let everything sauté well. Next, we'll add 2 cups of rice. Mix everything together thoroughly. Add 2.5 cups of water. Now just mix again and season to taste. Here I added some pepper, paprika, and salt. With all the seasoning in, let's mix and cover until the rice cooks. Once it's cooked, I'll add half a can of corn. And a sprinkle of chives. After mixing it all well, it's ready to serve. Check it out, folks. This rice looks incredible. Delicious, easy to make, and uses just 1 pot. A quick, simple recipe you're sure to love. I hope you enjoyed this one. Take care and see you next time.